benefiting from it, because what they were giving me as a benefit was peanuts. So I decided to grow sugarcane and set up my own mill.
Akakiiko aka nikaza kuba kiina omujwekyerwa aha rurengo rw'ihanga Robert Atugonza orabe nashitama akakiiko ak'ihanga ryona akarikukora aha nshonga za sukaari. David Muhumuza oli Senior Commercial Officer aha bwa Hoima City ahabura akakiiko akatorinwe okureba ngu bayebembeza munonga eshonga z'abahingi okwenda ngu babase kuganyirwa omu kigombe eki.
Wairo meeting ya abalimi b'Ekaijo abali mu Bunyoro na Tooro obu harumu Mutoro harumu Kenjojo kandi babayire besero olukula Tooro ne bahondera ekiragiro kya Sugar Cane Amendment Act ekiturukire nekiteekaho ebikaro ronda akatebe akajja kwekarwamu omwihanga lyona kandi nekayikarwaho permanent secretaries aba Ministry of Agriculture, ya Finance, ya Trade Industry and Cooperatives.
Makraga gashakwa gada saba aha bwa Tayari West.
Have you bitten?